Next, we got us these nice tacos. A little bit of rice. What's that shit? Pineapple, onions, cilantro, steak,
Twisters, rated PG-13,
a little lime,
July 19th.
I believe some Es Pastor underneath there. Nice little buttered rice.
Since 2000, small caps have been the best performing. That's why the InfraCap Small Cap Income ETF,
steak tastes good.
SCAP, was developed. SCAP's focus is on value investing, utilizing a multi-factor proprietary approach that considers a small cap company's value relative to its industry or sector. A little bit of lime on there. SCAP invests in small cap stocks that have growing earnings and positive free cash flow.
Gotta try this one out.
These stocks trade at a large discount to historical levels.